What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today we will take a quick look on Dogecoin because right now this coin is breaking the main resistance area that I showed you in the last Dogecoin analysis. So yeah, it's making only sense to do a quick update video. So if you are interested about my all potential trading setups that I'm currently watching on this coin, definitely watch this video till the end. But before that, I would like to invite you to my Discord trading group, where I am sharing everyday crypto analysis on Bitcoin and other altcoins that I'm currently watching. So if you want to copy my exact trades or if you want to just follow my analysis, you can join to this group, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. Let's start today on the 4-hour chart. As I said in the intro, right now we broke the main resistance area that I was watching on that 4-hour chart. And if we, for example, take a look on the 1-hour time frame, you can see that historically in this area we don't have here that much liquidity. So right now I wouldn't be that surprised if Dogecoin is preparing for another big move. So yeah, let's now check all of the potential trading setups. Right now, the main thing that I want to see here is a support confirmation, at least on the 12-hour chart. If you want to have, let's say, bigger risk, you can let's say trade here that 4-hour chart setup. It will be actually quite the same. And the long, or like the entry in this case, you need to place like above this resistance. So yeah, I still want to see here something like a small pullback and then support confirmation. And stop loss in this case you can place just under this resistance area, because if there will be breakdown and then resistance confirmation, then we are back in this sideways channel, and there is, let's say, higher probability that the price will test this lower support area. So you don't want to hold your losing position longer than it's necessary. And as your last take profit target, well, for the potential take profit targets, we need to switch on that 1-hour chart. If you want to have, let's say, a good risk reward ratio, me personally, I would speculate to, for example, somewhere around this previous highs, because you can see here we have like increased volatility historically, so there will be like more important resistances. And also this will give us quite a good risk reward ratio, because right now the risk reward ratio will be, let's say, around 8.57 with risk reward ratio 5.56. So yeah, it's, in my opinion, kinda good, but definitely in this case take multiple take profit targets. So some of the profits definitely take under this current high. Of course, if this will be the high that we created like before, there will be that support confirmation, because if we will do, for example, something like this, then your, let's say, potential first take profit targets can be like that previous high. I hope it makes sense. And then, for example, you can take rest of your profits based on the risk reward ratio. So some of the profits you can take on the, let's say, first take profit target, second you can take on the risk reward ratio 4, then 6, and then you can save some back to the last take profit target. So in the end, the risk reward ratio will be, let's say, around 5.5, which is, in my opinion, really good. So yeah, definitely keep an eye on this first potential setup. Before this video continues, I just want to share with you my actual stats from my trading account, because nowadays there are a lot of people who are doing this trading educational content, but those people are usually not profitable traders, and I'm trying to be as transparent as possible. So right now you can see my actual stats from my copy trading account. You can see how many trades I taken, what's my win rate, what's my ROI, etc. And if you, for example, want to learn how to trade, or if you simply want to copy my exact trades, you can simply DM me on my Discord, and we will definitely figure something out. And also I want to add that you can verify this data publicly, because this is my copy trading account on a Bluffin exchange, and you can simply find my trading account there, and yeah, you can verify this data. The reason why I want to see here that support confirmation on the 12-hour chart is that on the 12-hour chart we can also see here some interesting resistance area, and the resistance area is this bearish order block, which is between level 0.340 and 0.290. So if you will be opening some let's say long position here, then definitely take let's say large amount of your profits under this bearish order block, and for example the last take profit targets you can place just above this order block, because if we are gonna test this area, then there is, in my opinion, pretty high probability that we will just swipe the liquidity above, and then the market will decide what will be the next important move. So yeah, me personally, I will be trading this potential setup just on the 12-hour chart. So right now I'm still waiting here for that support confirmation, but as I said in the beginning, this is completely up to you. And if you want to trade it on the 4-hour chart, because we are almost in that support confirmation phase, then of course you definitely can. And because we still don't have here that support confirmation, it can still be a good opportunity in case of a breakdown and then resistance confirmation. So let's say opportunity to open here a short trade. The main problem with this short scenario is that we already created, let's say, a big fake out. Of course, it will be a fake out only in case of a resistance confirmation. So the potential stop loss will be here like around like 11.6%, which is quite a lot if we want to speculate with the last take profit target above this support area of this previous sideways channel. So the potential short scenario will be probably here more risky, because to have, let's say, at least average risk reward ratio or like decent risk reward ratio, we need to place it just above this resistance area. And then if you will take, let's say, one take profit target, the risk reward ratio will be around 4.57. But in my opinion, it's better to take multiple take profit targets. So some of the profits definitely take under like this previous lows, then this low, and then you can save some back to the last take profit target. So in the end, the risk reward ratio will be, let's say, around 3, 2.8, something like that, which is in my opinion like not bad. But yeah, the long scenarios that I showed you on that 1 hour chart are in my opinion much better. Okay, so these were the main setups that I'm currently watching on this coin. And if you, for example, want to copy my exact trades, or if you want to just follow my analysis, you can join my Discord trading group where I'm sharing analysis every single day, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. But yeah, this will be all for me for today. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next video. See ya.